डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट होगा 5 सेकेंड बाद। रेडी, स्टार्ट। डियर डॉक्टर फ्राई, by all means apply to my people to tell you of my travels during the past 3 years. Full stop. I believe it will be difficult for you to believe all they will tell you because it is almost beyond belief. Full stop. They will tell you a very attractive story, all the more striking because of its truth. Full stop. If you leave you your call till next month, there may be more to tell you, and the news item may be equal to anything you have read. Full stop. Every day brings before me circumstances unknown to me before, and every circumstances is singular in itself. Full stop. It is very difficult for me to be surprised at anything now. Full stop. I am surprised at nothing at all, nor do I think there is anything to surprise me, because my life during the past few years has brought me so many surprises from all quarters. Full stop. I have been delivered from troubles when deliverance would appear to have been impossible, and when an improvement of circumstances looked too difficult to be possible. Full stop. You will see the significance of this when you know something of what I have been through, though the tell can be no more than a mere generalization or general review. Full stop. Still, it will be as near the facts as possible in the circumstances. Full stop. I will tell you and Mr. Oliver more when I see you, and it will be an advantage and an immense satisfaction to me to tell you both. Full stop. You will then be at liberty to ask for any number of details, and as far as I am able to remember them, I will give them to you. I can see myself in your easy chair in the larger of your 2 rooms at home, with my general on my knee and the cheerful listeners facing me while I talk of the days of my subjection and of the dreary subjective examination I gave myself in justification of my actions. Full stop. It, in my opinion, you will say the tell is significant and in signification of the happening in the northern and southern climes, for beyond anything you know. Full stop. I must leave the balance of the tell, however, till I can go over it with you. Full stop. I have some information largely personal to you. which I must tell you at all costs before long, full stop. I trust the information will give you as much pleasure as I think it will, full stop. Anyway, it will enable you to set a right valuation upon the rest of my story, full stop. Please remember me to the children at home and to the all older and larger children also, full stop. I shall be home again within 6 months, full stop. I shall hope to see the principal members of the local literacy club within a few days of my returns, full stop. Ever yours, Author Clate, full stop, Viram.